In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to start making money online with affiliate marketing. And this is perfect for anyone who wants to make money from the comfort of their home or anyone who is just starting out with affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend to put out all forms of distractions and focus on this video so that you don't miss any vital step in this video. And also I'm going to show you how to combine affiliate marketing with CPA marketing and get amazing results like this. So I promise if you follow everything I'm about to show you in this video, you will definitely make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So all I ask in return is to drop a like on this video, and if you have any questions or you want me to explain anything, just leave it down in the comment section below and I'll do my best to reply back to you as soon as possible. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So the first step is picking an affiliate network, and there are numerous affiliate networks out there. We have Digistore24. You can use ClickBank for this strategy as well, or you can use Warrior Plus. So any of these affiliate networks would work perfectly with this method. But in this video, I'm going to be taking Digistore24.com to show you how to do this strategy. So all you simply need to do, if you don't have an account already on Digistore24, just click on the register now button and you'll be able to create a free account. So the next step is signing up with a CPA network of your choice, and there are numerous CPA networks out there you can use. For this video, we are going to be taking cpagrip.com. However, you can use other CPA networks like cpaleague.com or ogarts.com. So any of these CPA network would work perfectly as well. So once you're done creating an account on these platforms, the next step is to come over to your Digistore24 account and you want to click on Marketplace. And if you do this, all you simply need to do is to go over to the digital product section, and this is where you will be able to find products from various categories right here that we will be using to make money on this platform. So I'm going to take the health and fitness as an example, but feel free to replicate the same strategy in any of these other categories. So if you do this, you are going to see various products you can promote from this category. So for me, I'm going to take this ultimate keto meal plan product as an example, and as you can see right here, this product is going to pay you 85% commission for every sale you generate for this product. So once you've chosen a product to promote on Digistore24, the next step is to look for content we will be using to promote this product. So all you need to do is to come over to this website, pdfdrive.com, and if you come over here, you want to come to the search section and you want to type in keyword of that product. So since we are promoting a keto product, we are going to search for keto right here. As you can see, these are a lot of ebooks we can use to promote this product. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, the beginner guide to intermittent keto. So all you simply need to do is to then click on the download button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to provide you two formats in which you can download this ebook. So I highly recommend to go over to download the PDF version. So all you need to do is to click on PDF and you'll be able to download it to your device right away. The next step is coming over to this platform, searchda.com. This is a platform that allows us to add affiliate links to PDF files. So all you need to do is to simply upload the PDF file to this website by clicking on edit PDF. As you can see, it's going to ask you to upload the file. So as you can see right here, it has uploaded the file. So once you do that, you want to come back to your Digistore24 account and you want to click on copy promo link. So once you do that, you want to come over to any free section of the ebook like this and you want to type in the Digistore24 product right here. So once you type in the product right here, all you then need to do is to click on this create a link, and this is where you want to paste in your Digistore24 affiliate link. So once people open this ebook and they start reading through the content, they are going to come across our affiliate link right here, and if they click on the link, it's going to take them to the sales page of this product, and if they make a purchase, we will get paid a commission. So once you do that, you want to repeat this across several pages of this ebook, because once people start seeing this link, then definitely they'll click one of it, which is going to take them to the landing page of this product to make a purchase. So once everything is done, all you simply need to do from here is to then click on apply changes. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can download the edited version of this ebook. As you can see, this is the one that includes our affiliate link. So all you simply need to do is to then click on the download button. So once we download the PDF with our affiliate link, we want to upload it to any file sharing website like Dropbox.com. You can use Google Drive to do this, or you can use mega.nz. So I really like to use this website easyupload.io because it doesn't require you to create an account. You can simply upload this PDF and grab your shareable link right away. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to start uploading your PDF right away. And this is where you'll be able to grab the shareable link to that PDF. And the next step is coming over to this platform, Linktree, which is going to allow us promote multiple links with just one page. So once you come over here, all you need to do is to click on sign up here for free. So once you create your account, you want to come over to the link section, and this is where you want to click on add a link. Once you do this, you want to paste in the shareable PDF link right here, and you want to click on add. So once you do that, you want to change the title to something like the beginner guide to intermittent keto free download, because people like free stuff, of course. Okay, so once you do this, then you want to click on add another link by clicking on this button. Then this is where you want to go back to your Digistore24 account, and you want to copy your affiliate link directly, and you want to paste it right here, and you want to click on add. So once you add your affiliate link, as you can see, it's going to automatically generate this title for you. However, you can come over here and change this title if you want to do that, but you can leave it like this. So once you do that, you want to come back to cpagrip.com. If you remember in the beginning of the video, I mentioned that we want to pick a CPA network as well. Okay, so once you come back to your CPA Grip account, you want to simply come over to the monetization tools, and you want to click on URL file lockers. So once you do that, you'll be able to create a new locker, and you want to click on continue. So I like to keep my lockers organized, so you want to give your locker a name. Okay, so once you do that, then you want to come over to this box, and this is where you want to type in a captivating title. So you want to type in something simple like this: complete any 2 offers below to download keto ebook. And you can highlight this, and you want to change the color to something like red so that it stands out. So once you do that, you want to simply come over to the logged URL section, and this is where you want to paste in your Linktree link. All right, and once people come over to this page, if they click on begin download to get the keto ebook, as you can see, it's going to ask them to also complete 2 offers below. So this is all you need to do to create a URL file locker on CPA Grip. And if you come over to show offer manager right here, so you can see how much you can potentially make when people start completing your CPA offers. Imagine getting 500 people completing this CPA offer just to get that ebook for free. So once you do that, all you need to do from here is to then click on save. And now the next step is driving traffic, and Pinterest is one of the best traffic sources you can use to get affiliate sales, and you can use this to get leads as well. So if you use Pinterest, you can get amazing results like this right here, getting a lot of clicks on your affiliate link and start getting affiliate commissions, and also getting leads on CPA networks as well. So you want to come over here, and you want to type in business.pinterest.com to create a business account, because this is the best account that performs well with this strategy. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you are going to see grow your business with Pinterest. So once you do this, all you simply need to do is to click on the sign up button. And once you do that, it's basically going to ask you your details, your email address, password, and your date of birth, and that way you'll be able to create a business account on Pinterest. So now the next step is creating pins, which we will be using to get traffic from Pinterest. And there are 2 ways to do this. You can create pins yourself by going over to canva.com, or you can simply come over to fiverr.com, where you are going to find professionals that are going to create pins for you. So using Fiverr is for those who have some money to spare to create these designs. However, if you don't have any budget for this, like I said, you can still use canva.com to create high quality pins as well. So all you simply need to do, once you come over to canva.com, you want to go over to the social media section. And if you do this, you want to scroll down to where it says Pinterest pin, and you want to click on it. So once you do that, you're going to see a lot of templates on this section, which you can use to start creating pins right away. Or you can type in keyword of that niche, and it's going to show you templates you can use as well. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates here we can use to promote this keto affiliate product. So I'm going to take this first one here as an example. So as you can see, you can edit this template right here to your liking. So I'm going to change this from clean keto recipe to free keto recipes. So once you do this, all you simply need to do is to click on this share button and you'll be able to download it to your device right away. So once you do that, you want to come back to your Pinterest account, and this is where you'll be able to create a pin. So once you upload the pin, you want to give it a captivating title like this: The Ultimate Keto Recipe Collection, Easy, Tasty and Healthy. And you want to type in a description like this that matches the title and this pin. As you can see right here, you want to also mention that people have to click on the link below to download it for free. And this is where you want to come back to your CPA Grip account to copy your URL file local link. So once you copy the link, all you simply need to do is to paste in the link right here. So keep in mind, once people click on this link, it's going to take them to our URL file local page, and if they complete the CPA offer, it's going to bring them to this Linktree link where they can either go directly to the Digistore 24 product link, or they can download this free PDF. So whichever one they click right here is a win-win for us. So once you do that, you want to then add a board, and to create your board, all you need to do is to click on create board, and this is where you want to type in keyword related to this niche, something like keto. Okay, so once you do that, you then want to add related tags, as this is going to increase your chances of your content getting seen by the right audience. So once you do that, all you simply need to do is to then click on the publish button. So I highly recommend to post at least 2 pins every single day, and this way you will definitely get some of those pins to go viral and start making money in passive income.